Dhirubhai and Kokilabin Ambani, and Neeta's parents, Ravindra Bhai and Purnima Dalal. We are delighted to welcome you today to the pre-wedding celebrations of our beloved son, Anant, with his sweetheart, Radhika. And we are joined by Radhika's parents, the beautiful Shaila and Viren Merchant, in extending a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Isha and Anand, Akash and Shloka, and all others in the Ambani, the Merchant, the Dalal, Piramal, and the Mehta families also join us in saying to you, Suswagatam, a hearty welcome to our home in Jamnagar. Today my heart is overflowing with joy and gratitude. It is full of joy because so many of you have come from far and near to join our celebrations. My heart is full of gratitude because this shows your love, affinity, and good wishes for our families. Words are inadequate to express our gratitude. I can only say thank you from the bottom of my heart. In the Indian tradition, we respectfully describe all our guests as Atithis. Atithi Devo Bhava. It means guests are like gods. When I did Namaste to you, it meant that the divine in me is pleased to acknowledge the divine in you. The same God or divine energy, the same Divya Shakti animates everything in this vast and wondrous universe. Because each of you has brought a little bit of that divine energy with you to Jamnagar.
Do you love India?
Welcome to India.
Yes, yes.
How was the show? How was the show?
Huh?
The show?
The show was
Today's
the best.
You killed it. You killed it.
I haven't done a real show in 8
Yes,
years.
yes. We saw the video. You killed it.
So I want to be.
Superb killing. Yes. Bye bye selfie.
Yes, yes. Welcome to India. How are you?
How about that?
Yes. Do you love